So what we see here is this is just really looking at some data of one of our existing clients. We did some A/B testing where we looked at actually seeing, well, if we took the same products, exactly the same products from the same product group, and if we applied one to optimization and we applied some not obviously to optimization, what the results were going to be. So as you can see, there's though, even though the industry changes and demand changes, the margin that the products that were attributed to optimization were able to increase, but then also be consistent as the algorithm grew. The products that weren't attributed to AI and algorithms, as you can see there, it is fairly clear to see the orange graph and the performance has really dipped against the others.